In this question, a recursive function is given, and recursive function n, rec n is equal to 1 if n is equal to 1, and it is equal to n minus 1 plus rec of n minus 1 if n is greater than 1. Then we have to find the value of rec 20. Let us let us find rec of 2. This is nothing but n minus 1, 2 minus 1 plus rec of 2 minus 1, which is 1. So this is 1 plus rec of 1 is equal to 1. Why? Because if n is equal to 1, rec of n is equal to 1. Let us find rec of 3. Rec of 3 is equal to n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 plus rec of 2. That means 2 plus, here we got as rec of 2 is we got as 2, which is 4. rec of 4 is equal to rec of 4 is equal to 4 minus 1 plus rec of 3, which is nothing but rec of 3 minus 1 plus rec of 2. So which is again nothing but 2 minus 1 plus 1. So if we see, if we generalize this, we can say that rec of n is equal to n minus 1 plus n minus 2, so on up to this is 2 minus 1, 1, 1 plus 1. So till this part we can write this as sigma n minus 1 plus this is 1 plus this one. This is this one. Sigma n minus 1 is nothing but sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n minus 1 is n into n minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So rec of 20 is equal to 20 into 19 by 2 plus 1. So which is 10, 190, 10, 19 into 10, 190 plus 1, 191. So here correct option is option D, none of these. Match the following. Here we solve multi-stage graph and all page shortest path problem by using dynamic programming approach. So these two map to S, both 1 and 5 map to S, and we solve convex hull problem by following divide and conquer approach. And for finding biconnected components, we use depth first search. So this maps 3 maps to Q. And for knapsack problem, we use we follow greedy method. So 4 maps to R. So if you see the options, 1 and 5 map to S, 1 and 5 map to S, 2 to P, and 3 to Q, 3 to Q, and 4 to R. So option B is the correct answer here. When a servlet receives an HTTP GET request for the first time, what method will be called? A, do get, B, do post, and C, do head, and the last option D is process request. Whenever a servlet receives an HTTP GET request for the first time, then do get method will be called. So here correct option is option A. Which of the following model is thrown away once all requirements are understood? Option A, rapid application development model. Option B, prototyping model. Option C, spiral model. Option D, waterfall model. Once all the requirements are understood, then prototyping model is thrown away. So here correct option is option B. Consider the following system of linear equations. 2x plus y minus 2z is equal to 1. 4x, second equation is 4x plus 3y minus 6z is equal to 5. And third equation is x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to 7. The given system has no solution, infinite number of solutions, unique solution, and finite number of solutions. Here three equations are given. Let us assume that this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now let us simplify equations 1 and 2. Let us multiply first equation by 3. 3 into 1, which is nothing but 6x plus 3y minus 6z is equal to 1. Okay, and let us keep second equation as it is. 1 into 2, 4x plus 3y minus 6z is equal to 5. So let us subtract these two. So we'll be getting 2x, this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. 1 minus 5 is nothing but minus 4. This implies x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Now let us simplify 2 and 3. So let us multiply second equation with 2. 2 into equation 2 will be getting 8x plus 6y minus 12z is equal to 10. And let us multiply equation 3 with 3. We'll be getting 3x plus 6y minus 12z is equal to 21. So now let us subtract equation 3 from 2. We'll be getting 5x. These two will be gets cancelled. 5x, 10 minus 21 is minus 11. So we got two equations. This x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to, this is minus 11 by 5. If we see these two equations, we can say that these two are parallel. So these two lines will never ever meet. If they don't meet at one place, if they don't meet, we can say that there will not be any solution for this set of equations. So here correct option is option A, which is no solution.